Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of our Vlogmas. Para sa episode na ito ay guest po natin ang isang smart parenting writer and at the same time siya rin ay isang ambassador. Walang iba kundi si Mommy Dean!
Sure.
First question, how do you empower moms through your branding and niche?
Well, yung branding ko, as you can see, hindi ako gumagamit ng like Mommy Dean or ano. Yeah, you can call me Mommy Dean, that's not a problem. Pero yung branding ko is just from my name itself. So if you know, my website, my handles, lahat yun Dean Real Bautista. Kasi may parang wala ako pwedeng sabihin na ito talaga pag to narinig mo, si Dean. Pero what I go by is just yung keeping it real. So, hindi lang siya for moms, kundi for single ladies also, or actually for anyone. So, how do I empower? Ito, syempre, may kodigo kaya ako. So, yun. So, yung keeping it real, I go by that phrase ever since dalaga ako. So, if yung people from before, they can probably attest na ganun. So, I do what I say, parang kahit mapahamak ako or something. So, yun. And now, ngayon na mami ako, especially sa generation natin, like, sabi mo nga, active tayo sa posts. Parang everyone has access to social media. Anyone can just live a different life on social media na hindi naman nalalaman. So, that is why I think yung keeping it real can empower others. So, yun. Like what sorry, kailangan kong isulat kasi magtatagal ako kapag hindi.
Yes, I love it. Pinaghandaan talaga.
Yes, syempre, importante ka eh. So, yun, like what I mentioned here, moms need to know that being real, or at least to ourselves, will make things easier. Gets? Parang expectations will be lower, parang life can be happier. Kasi at least, you're being true to yourself eh. Parang wala nang ibang mas mabadali or mas masaya if you live your own life. Gets mo? Parang you live and you feel your own truth, your own life. Hindi mo na kailangan, ang hirap mag-pretend sobrang hirap. Even when you are posting, it's so hard. That makes it really challenging for me. Kung may post ako ng something na brand related and then it's not something na I don't really believe in. Pero minsan no choice. Alam natin yan eh. Minsan no choice. So you have to do things that would make it really, really close, at least close to who you are. Parang ganon. So yun yung, I don't wanna say it branding eh, pero that's just what I go by. Yun na lang. Not really branding.
Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na yung tumatak talaga sa akin na isa sa mga ginawa mo, sinulat mo, was when you exposed
the blog post. Yeah.
Yes! Exposed the reality of yun talaga yung pasabog of the year eh. Yes. Yun talaga yung pasabog of the year.
Yes. Pero we cannot really blame others or you cannot say na what others are yung ginagawa ng iba are wrong. Kasi kanya-kanya naman yun na intentions. It's just not me. So, for others, okay sa kanila yon because syempre pangkabuhayan na rin to, business and all. So iba't iba siya ng reasons and ng intentions. So yun. But then again, may mga bagay din talagang alam na natin yan.
Yes, oo nga. Doon talaga yung sabi ko, ito yung nasa isip ko. Ito yung nararamdaman ko. Isinulat niya. Kaya sabi ko, ito ibang klase to, ibang level na momfluencer to kasi walang takot na sabihin talaga na ganun. And that's
ikakapahamak talaga eh. Ikakapahamak ko talaga tong minsan yung bibig ko eh. Kaya sana hindi kayo kapahamak itong araw.
Pero okay lang. Ano ka ba? That's just you being real. O, diba? That's your branding.
Yes, yun. At least yun. Apelido ko rin pala kasi yun. Kaya.
So, yun. Eto na. Second question. Eto, pang Miss Universe. Alam mo naman.
Yes.
What is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you?
For me, back when I was growing up, nagsa-school and all, syempre yun talaga yung maalala mo, like nag-aaral na, right? Kasi pagbata pa, hindi naman super ma-remember yun. Pero ako, as I was yung growing nga, meron ako mga questions like, kasi yung mami ko, yung daddy ko kasi, he used to, work abroad. So, it's just my mommy. Yung mami ko, minsan, kasi stay-at-home mommy siya, 3 kami magkakapatid. Or 2 pa lang that time. Palagi siyang naiinis, pag makalat, yung mga ganun ba. Tapos, hindi siya yung type ng mommy na, tutok siya, pero especially sa studies, hindi siya yung ganun. So, lumaki ako as a student, na hindi ako tinutulungan ng mami ko sa assignments, sa projects, sa mga ganon. Wala. Ang tulong lang ni mami is kung may pagpapabili ako, ganon. Kasi kailangan sa school. Sabi ko sa sarili ko before, ba yan? Bakit yung classmates ng mami ko, yung mga mami ng classmates ko, mamis nila, palaging on the go, palaging ganyan. But, when I was in college, na I had to do things on my own, kasi nag-dorm ako eh. So, from Batangas, I went to Manila para mag-college sa UST. So, nung naka-dorm ako, walang magulang doon, walang magulang. Ako naman, di ako lumaki na may helper, so okay lang. Pero walang magulang, walang tumulong sa akin, wala and all. That's when I realized, and up until now, na wala rin naman kaming yaya, doon ko napatunayan na because my mom let me do things on my own, kahit hindi ko siya na-gets before, yung palang reward nun is 20 years after. 10, 20 years after. So, yun yung super thankful ako. Yun yung pwede kong lesson. And speaking of being thankful, ang natutunan ko naman sa school, sa mga teachers ko before, is to always, always, always be grateful. Always be thankful, good or bad, big or small. So, yun yung parang, kahit maging lolay na yata ako, ganun yung lessons na hindi mawawala sa akin. So, yun.
Diba? Iba
miss you na miss you.
Miss you na miss you, correct. Iba yung nararamdaman natin right after saying thank you or just being grateful even with smallest things, diba?
And ako even the worst, right?
The worst, yes. Parang sinasabi natin sa sarili natin na, nangyari to kasi may magandang mangyayari.
Yes.
That's optimist tayo dito.
Oo. Hindi kasi pag ka sa, nakakaskas. Pag mga 3 weeks kang ganito, walang mangyayari sa'yo, di ba? Although, valid naman malungkot and magtanong-tanong. Siyempre, yun lang. Sabi nga, daanan mo lang, wag mong tambayan, sabi nila, di ba? So, yun.
I
At
love
least for
that.
me, sa akin,
yes,
ganon.
Totoo. Ayan. Eto, ngayon, mommy ka na, of course. Ayan, di ba? At napakatalino ni Monica. Name top 3 things. 6 naman to. 3. Ay, baka nun to. 3 things that you love using for your child. Maybe this year or since she was born. Ayan.
Siguro nung baby siya. Ang masasabi ko na top 3 things, books, paper, and pencil. Crayon. Yun. Pero syempre, kung if I'm gonna be literal talaga, like nung newborn and all, baby carrier, if and Tula carrier. And Angel. So, yun yung mga nagamit namin. So, yun. So pero sa totoo, books talaga. Books. Because my husband said na never manghinayang sa books. So, since that day, hindi ako nanghinayang sa books. Minsan, nanghinayang pa rin ako ngayon kasi parang mahal. Pero, maganda yung effect. Sa nakikita ko.
Nakikita rin namin yan kay Monica, di ba?
So, books, papers, and pencil. With papers and pencil, you just leave it there. That's what we do with Monica. Magugulat ka na lang. She can write a lot. She would draw. She would doodle. So, it gives her accessibility and freedom to do what she wants to do. What she wants to write, what's on her mind. So, yun. At least yun. Yun sa akin.
Gagayahin namin yan sa next baby. Diba?
Sige, go!
Gagayahin namin yan. Kasi kami ngayon, puro toys, ayan.
It's not bad, ha? It's not bad ang toys. Si Monica, she has a lot of toys too. But the books, yun na, never manghinayang sa books. Because you'll never know what a child can absorb just by looking at it. So,
yes. Kahit pagod na tayo magbasa ng bedtime stories sa kanila, sige pa rin.
Ako, so I will not take credit on that. My husband is the one reading talaga. He was the one na masipag reading to Monica growing up. Ako isang mga story lang ganun. So, alam mo na, magkakaiba tayo ng strength. Pero siya yun. Pero ako, basta nandyan lang. Ayoko nang itatago yung book. Dyan lang. Yun. Basta yun.
So nice. Ang ganda. Ang ganda kasi both, may mutual kasi understanding between you and your husband na you should love books. Kaya nakukuha talaga ni Monica. And tingnan mo naman, napaka-smart ni Monica.
Nakakulit.
Makulit siya, but may siya, very smart talaga.
God.
Natutuwa ako sa mga IG stories mo, kahit sa mga posts mo.
Thank you. Salamat naman.
Yes. And eto, since this is parang papalapit na ang Christmas. What is your Christmas message to parents who are watching this video?
So, hello parents. Christmas or not, holiday or not, just always keep it real. Lagi ko sinasabi yun. Ewan ko pa ulit-ulit na ako. Just keep it real. It will all start from there. Because you have to accept that things will not always go the way that you want it to. And the soonest you accept that, the soonest you can move on and think of better ways to move forward. It may sound very, very general or cliche, pero 'di ba? If we just keep it real, or if we just keep it real or true kahit sa sarili natin, the rest will follow. And it will reflect on your actions sa bahay, online, offline. And you will be more content sa buhay mo. Parang ganun. Especially now. This is a message to all moms who have access to social media. Ay, hindi naman kasi lahat. Hindi lahat super hilig like ako, like you, di ba? Pero for people like us, it's a reminder to myself also. Kasi hindi naman ako perfect. Whenever I browse, may days din naman ako na I would see, grabe, ang galing naman ito. Or grabe, paano kaya nila nagagawa yan? Grabe, ang dami naman yan likes. Pero, pag inisip ko siya ng inisip, diba, hindi na ako totoo. Kasi minsan, ang next post ko, para lang talunin yung nakita ko. Hindi na siya totoo. So, yun, just keep it to yourself lang. What you wanna do, you do it. Not for anybody, not for presence, at least. Sometimes I do that, just to be true. Pero, ganun eh. So, we are all work in progress naman. So, yun. Message ko na rin yun sa sarili ko. So, yun. Ano pa ba? Ito, sorry, sinulat ko eh. Ito yun.
Ayan.
Ayan. Accept the things that don't go on our way and learn to be happy with what's in there. Message to myself also. Live your life and not look at others' lives in the perfect squares. So, yun talaga. Sinulat ko kasi alam kong makakalimutan ko yun.
Ang ganda ng message.
Message to myself and to you.
Yes, and to all, di ba? Importante din yan na may din tayo, parang reminder. Self-check din tayo, di ba? Kasi we started the year na parang fresh objectives, bago yung mga objectives natin, kung anong gagawin. This time, last month of the year na, so gagawa tayo ng, kung sa school pa yan, parang post-test, diba? Kung pre-test, may post-test din. So, check natin yung sarili natin. Kung nagawa ba talaga natin yung goals natin. And
agree ako dyan.
For next year, gagawin natin na mas better pa. Kung hindi talaga natin na-fulfill. Kasi,
okay lang yun. That's why buhay tayo right? Yes. Sabi nga, habang may buhay, improve. Oo, laban lang.
Correct. So, Mommy Dean, please invite mga mommies. Especially you are with smart parenting. And
just continue reading. Just continue reading smart parenting. Ayun, contributing writer ako doon. And yun nga. Just please, if you have time, you can follow my pages, Facebook, Mommy Dean, and Instagram, Dean Real Bautista. And kung YouTube na rin, kung meron kayo, Dean Bautista. That's it. Yun lang.
Yay! Thank you so much, Mommy Dean.
Thank you, Mami Ara. Salamat.
I am really, really happy na pumayag ka. Like, in an instant, di ko expect na, yes, sure.
Ano ka ba? Para naman tong others.
Kasi yung iniisip ko, naku, parang napaka-busy. Tama nga, busy ka nga ngayon. Kasi tingnan mo, may live ka. Pero thank you so much. Sabi mo, para agahan mo na lang yung makeup mo. And
Oo, at least, hindi siya nasayang. Diba?
Ayan.
So, magulat, ito yung gamit ko.
Thank you, Mommy Dean. And hope to see you soonest. O sana pag wala na tong pandemic na to.
At least yung ganito.
Yes.
Don't worry, after nito, magdadabaw kami.
Yehey!
Totoo yan.
Looking forward.
Totoo. Kasi, linalo namin yung T4 eh. Hindi lang natuloy na. Nauna lang yung Cebu. Pero why not, di ba?
Matutuwa si Monica dito kasi yung mga dito, parang recreational places
maganda,
dito. More on educational siya. May Philippine Eagle, may Malagos Garden, Eden. Yan.
Matapos na tong pandemic, push tayo dyan.
Yes. Pang field trip talaga
tayo.
dito.
Oo, makakapagkita rin tayo.
Yes, soon. Thank you so much, Mommy Dean. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng video na to. Until our next Vlogmas episode.
Thank you po.
Bye!
Thank you.